wants you to make God your God. Yes. Do not follow pill. Because pill will ruin your life. Yeah. And you will get nothing out of pill. The second group of people, those who think that the time is not now to come to God. Many people, Reverend Blanc, in our churches and congregations, especially in our world here, will say to you, I'm not ready yet to get serious for God. You know, I'm still young. I got a lot of things going on. I need to fix my life. I'm not ready yet. You know, I got a lot of bills that I need to pay. And I need to work. I don't have the time for church. I can't go to choir practice. I can't go to church meetings. Because you are concerned about meeting the basic routines of life. I got news for you. If God is your God, He promised that He will provide your needs according to His riches in glory. Sometimes, my brothers and sisters, you just got to stop and give it to God. You got to say to God, God, if you are my God, I declare that I take up one day in a week and go to church. When I take up 2 days and go to church, the bills are yours to pay. My health, you got it to take care of. Everything else, God, I give it to you. Until people can understand that God